guys, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another fashion styling video. Today we are gonna style, I'll show you, these white sneakers, and I will show you 3 ways how you can style the sneakers. Super basic, simple sneakers. These are Adidas sneakers from the Stan Smith collection, and I really like them. So let's begin. We have the first outfit, and this is something that you can wear to the office and also on a casual business meeting. This is a really nice shirt from Zara. I got it like 2 years ago. I like the dainty details. I have some lace here going on. And I have these trousers which are vintage, and I will add some vest which I got many years ago, and I think it really adds some nice business flavor to the outfit, like this. It's really cute. And of course we have the sneakers, the white sneakers, and here you go, you have your casual business outfit ready to conquer the world. Okay guys, we have outfit look number 2, and this is a really nice spring summer dress from Ganni. It is polka dot dress. I really like the fit. Super nice for summertime, super loose. And we will add this oversized blazer. This is from Zara. I have it for really long time. I like the color combo, and then we have stickers as well, the white stickers. Okay, last but not least, this is the third look, and this is also super casual. We have cashmere sweater. I love this color, this pale purple thing going on. We have basic mom jeans and the sneakers, and it's super comfy. I like the vibe. Everyday casual look. So this was my second styling video here on my channel. Let me know in the comments which was your favorite style with the sneakers. Also let me know if you want to see more fashion videos on my channel. Let me know in the comments. Also follow me on Instagram, it's Mariya Marinova. Find me also on TikTok, on Clubhouse, on Facebook, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And thank you also so much for the feedback on my last fashion video. Thanks. And yeah, have a great evening, morning, wherever you are, and I will see you in my next one.